Finding even the smallest exhaust leaks is simple using Portable Leak Detector. Install the appropriate cone adapter into the exhaust pipe. In the case of dual exhaust, seal the other tailpipe with a cap plug, shop rag, or latex glove. When introducing vapor into the exhaust system, note that it may take 1 to 2 5-minute cycles for smoke to displace air through tiny leaks. Please note that some exhaust leaks may be within the manufacturer's specifications or are part of the system design, such as muffler weep holes.